Hello everyone, this is Steve with the free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is February 8th, and I'm doing a review and outlook price analysis video for silver. Well, this is gold's price chart and silver. Both of their outlooks will generally be the same, so I'm going to stick with putting them both in the same video. It's been 2 weeks since I posted a video, and that's mostly been because of the coronavirus issues. You really can't guess or even really do much technical analysis because of it. We did have the Fed come out with their decision not to do anything. That was a little over 10 days ago, and that was nothing new. So the price of gold and silver didn't do much with that. This is silver, clearly. In the last video I showed you this falling wedge pattern. The silver basically has stayed within it. I mean, I realize you could call it confirmed and denied on both ends. But it's still sticking within the same parameters of it, and I'm just going to call it a bull flag now. I've been calling it a bull flag, and I've been putting the lines there saying it's a falling wedge. It's a bull flag. The market's not sure with the coronavirus. They think they're fairly, I would say the traders of silver and gold are fairly sure that it's going to get worse, and one way you can tell by that is looking at copper's price chart. Copper has just fallen like a stone, and that's clearly showing that industrial output isn't going to be what the market is actually. I mean, the Dow's been hitting new highs and so on, and copper's like, look at me over here, you know, I'm going down. So copper's clearly an industrial metal. And it shows you silver is industrial and safe haven. That's the reason why it hasn't gone down as much as copper. It's held its own. It's pretty much stayed sideways. And then we have gold. Gold has gone up. Gold is totally a safe haven metal. It has some industrial purposes, but mostly it's a safe haven metal, and that's the reason why it's mostly risen through this process. And again, I'm just going for its outlook, showing you a bull flag, not really sticking to lines that much, but I expect it to continue to break to the upside. Same with silver. I can expect it to continue to break to the upside. If we get, well, let me go to, excuse the pop-up there. Let me go to the coronavirus real quick and just show you some numbers here. We got the BNO News. They got their numbers at over 37,000 is today's most recent total, with 813 fatalities. Now, their website gives you the individual cities and so on. I will have links down in the description area below for you, so you can go look at this yourself. But they also have a map, and if you squeeze in on it, it'll show you where the really bad areas, the black diamonds, are the really bad areas. So anyways, you can go over this site if you want to. I'll have the link down for you below. And then we also have this other website from China. It's called Tencent. They have the confirmed total at 37,251. This is the confirmed cases. Suspected cases at 28,942. The cures are the people who overcame it. Just like the flu, if you get over the latest strain of flu, you're cured from it until a new strain comes out. But the difference between this coronavirus and the flu is the flu has a 0.1 mortality rate, where this has a 2% mortality rate. So it's a lot worse than having the common cold or common flu as far as the coronavirus. So I'm expecting more bad news to come out of China. They've, in the last video I posted, they had quarantined 56 million. Now they have quarantined over 400 million, and it's doesn't seem to be getting better. So hopefully it does get better. Hopefully the rate of everything starts to go down. But right now, I'm willing to bet that next week we're going to start soon we're going to start having some bad numbers starting to hit our companies, and people are going to run into safe havens like bonds and precious metals and the dollar as well. I expect the dollar to go up. It's been going up a little bit, but that's also been because the Brexit and the euro dropping. But anyways, for silver and gold, I expect them to rise because of the unknowns with the coronavirus. Anything is in store, but I do expect it to break above. Probably test the 1890 level sometime in the week or two ahead, depending on what the price does and what shows up in the charts. That will determine whether I post another video next weekend or not. So for silver, I would say look at 1890 as resistance and 1825 not so much. Actually, I'm just going to well, I'll leave it there for now since the price is still below it. It's hovering at 1765 right now. And for the price of gold, I expect it to break above 1590. Really, I think the numbers are just going to continue to rise, especially when you look at this with the suspected cases. It just tells you. It's right there that the number is going to continue to rise. So I think it will definitely start to hit the market more and more. So and we won't see an end to the quarantine until who knows? I can't really tell you that one. I don't think we're out of the storm yet, simply because of the 2-week incubation time of the virus. So for gold as well, I think we will see a test to 1615 sometime in the next week or so. So I expect this bull flag to be confirmed with both price charts and for both of the precious metals to move higher. So that's it for this week's review and outlook. I thank you for your time. Take care and God bless.